This is my first time of ever doing this before. I had no idea what went into renovating or even how to budget. I did go over my budget. I probably could have scaled back, but my friend that helped me do it said, this is your focal point and it's going to be something that's an investment you'll enjoy forever. But I guess, and there's no way you would ever know this from somebody, but you just think of like, oh, this is what my cabinets are going to cost me and this is what my appliances are going to cost me. You don't think of everything that goes. Obviously, we raised the ceiling, we moved walls, we busted. You don't take that into account. So I did go over budget, but do I regret it at all? No, because I wouldn't have done it if I couldn't have. It's just you kind of have a budget that you get set for. I had an open house the other day, a little housewarming party, and everybody was amazed and could not believe the kitchen. And it is, that ended up being, that was supposed to be my focal point, and it is, and it's done nothing but bring people in to see it. Even people in the area have seen it. The person that works here, that is our manager, stopped up because she had to have something done, and she texted me after and said, I can't believe what you did to that place. It doesn't look like the same place. So like I said, went over budget, but I think anybody that I talked to that has ever done construction has said a budget is the beginning and you always go over, so.